guys are well. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I have a video for you guys, and basically it's my current favorite products for the month. These products are products that I got from different brands, but I will recommend them like 100% because of the quality and the trust that I have for them. And trust me, I could be very critical about some products, but these products, I tell you, it's worth every single dime that you will pay for them if you're interested in them anyways. So I'm just going to show you guys the products, and then I'll tell you guys what I think about them. First product I have is this case. So this case is just a basic Apple iPad Pro case. You could actually get it from Amazon. I got mine from Amazon. So this is how it looks. It's got like this kind of demarcation where you can actually stand your iPad like this. You can turn it over to something like this. So basically, you know, you could actually be on your sofa or something, and you could use your iPad like this. So you could use it like this or upright like this. I really love this case because this case has like a transparent, you know, back. It's got a transparent back, so you can actually see the color of your iPad and also the logo of your Apple product. This case is so brilliant. Whoever came up with this is very brilliant. This case is so brilliant, and it's actually, it costs way cheaper than what you would get on the Apple store. I think the cases on the Apple store are like £30, but this one, when you get it on Amazon, it's like $8.99 or something very cheap like that. So I'm going to leave a link in my description box of the brand where I got it on Amazon. So it's basically a Moco case. I hope that's how they pronounce it. It's a Moco case, and it's so good. You know, when you close it, your iPad goes to sleep, and then when you open it, your iPad wakes up. So it's brilliant, it's sophisticated. I really love this case to take out and about with me. The next product I would highly recommend is the Apple Pencil. So if you've got the new iPad or the iPad Pro, any of the versions, you actually need an Apple Pencil. So the Apple Pencil is so good. I actually use it every time that I am on my iPad. And basically, I actually need a case for this, but I still use this case anyways because it goes into my bag. So I do a lot of designing work at home, and I'm currently working on a project, and because of the project I actually need my Apple Pencil for that. So I find the Apple Pencil very unique and very stylish, and also it gets the job done super quick and super easy. So I actually use the Apple Pencil in my creative work when I want to, you know, create a design for my store or a design for the project I'm currently working on. So this actually just glides on my iPad Pro so easily. And also anytime I have a document to read, I just, you know, use my Apple Pencil, and then it helps me kind of read quicker, like as if I'm reading from a book. So I really would recommend the Apple Pencil. I got my Apple Pencil from eBay. The person who advertised it said it was basically like brand new. The person hardly ever used it, and it was really cheap on eBay. So I would recommend you can buy it on eBay if you really want it. You could definitely purchase it on eBay. You'll get a good bargain for it. The next product I am going to recommend for this month is Adidas. Yes, so my husband got me this product from Adidas. It got shipped to me this week. So this is the Adidas box, and as usual you get the Adidas logo every single wear. And then this is the shoe. So I've been disturbing my husband that I want to go to the gym and I need some new workout shoes. I used to have the River Island workout shoes, but I needed an upgrade, and I am in love with Adidas. So I got this Adidas. So this is the Adidas Iniki. I think the name used to be Iniki, but they changed it to I-5923. So this is the Adidas I-5923, and this is how it looks. So basically this is the shoe, and it's such an amazing shoe because it has the ultra boost. It's got the boost, you know, inside, whereby it's really soft and comfy to walk on or do your exercise in. And it also has a very unique, like a retro design. It's modern and retro at the same time, and just a very beautiful shoe. I really love this shoe so much. And if you guys are thinking about getting some new gym shoes or just a comfy shoe, basically, you could definitely trust Adidas with that. It's a very lovely pair of shoes. So this is just how the back looks, and the front has got a lace front, and then as usual the 3 stripes, and then the boost sole, just like this, and it's so comfy, so comfy. But then it's got a mesh lining up here and a suede material here. So I'm kind of wary about the rainy season and stuff. I don't know if it's going to be a good shoe for the rainy season, but we'll see when I take it out and about. But who cares, really? I just love Adidas anyways, and I really like the color, I like the design, and it will do the job that I need it to do, which is to take it to the gym. So basically it's a win-win for me. The last product I have that I would highly recommend is this lovely Caribbean food recipe book by Levi. So Levi is a very popular Jamaican, like Jamaican cook, whatever, chef, you know. So basically I got this book at an event and they gave it to us for free. So basically this book is just going to be good for anyone who loves spicy foods, anyone who loves to try new foods, and also everyone who has like a taste for African and Caribbean food. I love African and Caribbean foods. I'm not Caribbean, I'm African, and this looks legit like a very good book for me to have right now because I get to try out some lovely Caribbean meals. I've tried out some lovely Caribbean meals, and they're kind of similar to something that I would love. They're very spicy and delicious, just the way I like it. So this one, it's got like different recipes that you could actually try if you love, you know, Caribbean food. And there's one particular meal that, you know, got my eyes popping, is the jerk chicken. If I can find it here, I would. It's like the jerk chicken, okay, but this one is the sticky jerk chicken wings anyways, but it's like jerk chicken, and the rice and peas rice. I would really love to try that one. It looks so delicious and so tasty. So if you guys love cooking and if you love food like me, yes, my foodies, where you at? If you love food and you love cooking, or you just love to try out new food, definitely get this book. This book, I would highly recommend it. It's really, you know, nice to have. So that's it. Those are my current favorite products that I love for the month of September. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you like this video, comment down below, let me know anything and everything, and also subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.